Welcome to the world of giant trucks, where strength, courage, and precision are the keys to survival. This is not just a journey of transporting timber, but a battle with nature, rugged terrain, and human limits. Fasten your seatbelts, because the most dramatic journey through the deep forest begins now. When huge loads need to be moved, only the bravest drivers can take on the challenge. This is the story of an incredible, large-scale freight operation where danger is a constant companion.
Ano to? Sige sige sabar. Angelina di kabel sih. Malah kasihan truknya.
At the heart of the mining operation, where the roar of engines mingles with coal dust, lies the main assembly point, the tractor-trailer loading bay. Here, giant trucks are loaded with raw power, ready to carry coal to every corner of the economy. In the heart of Wielkopolska, a challenging harvest is underway, where every truckload is a constant struggle to avoid a rollover disaster. This description highlights the extreme stress that farmers face. A heart-stopping scene unfolded as the giant dump truck struggled, sinking deep into the mud, seemingly hopeless. But amidst the harsh challenge, the combined strength of Cat excavators and Komatsu bulldozers appeared. When gravity is no longer in control, the sight of a massive steel coil suddenly flying off a transport vehicle is a chilling demonstration of the risks of unsecured steel coils falling off a truck. This is more than just an accident. It is a hard lesson in the vital importance of ensuring cargo safety. The 13th of June, 2025, LaGrange, Illinois, a truck was struck by a BNSF intermodal train. The incident is a stark reminder of the dangers of railroad tracks and the importance of staying vigilant. Unbelievable scene at Rufford Ford. Floodwaters were 5 feet deep, turning the road into a raging river. In part 142, witness a brave farmer, with his tractor, decide to break the deadlock caused by the flood.
Oh my God.
A spectacular scene unfolded as the giant 345 CL excavator demonstrated its superior strength, successfully freeing 2 Deere bulldozers that were stuck deep in a canal. This was more than just a pull. It was a supreme display of strength and skill.
One down.
Discover the wild and harsh beauty of Chukotka through a unique perspective. The modified MTLB tracked amphibious vehicle will take you on incredible journeys, conquering all terrains. Don't miss these impressive footages. Subscribe to the channel to support us and explore together.
Good.
Despite its own weakness, the Hino truck did not hesitate to overtake. Witnessing its friend Fuso Oren in trouble, at the decisive moment, it defied all limits to be there, demonstrating brave team spirit when danger was imminent. In the heart of Colombia's most rugged landscapes, the Troquero trucks keep life beating. They are the lifeblood of the Trocas, trails reserved for only the bravest. Fend, John Deere, Nebraska W. Holland, Massachusetts SSE Ferguson, all will converge in Assisi. Prepare for a day full of drama with the Gara di Tiro competition and the second, Blessing of the Tractors. Power, tradition, and excitement await you. From the rugged heart of northern Australia, hear the pure roar of a Kenworth cattle road train. This mighty sound is more than just an engine. It is the heartbeat of the outback, a symphony of traction and endurance tearing through endless dusty roads. Tata Hitachi is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of uncompromising strength and reliability. Engineered to tackle the toughest jobs, every Tata Hitachi machine is a powerful partner, delivering top performance and unwavering durability on every job site. Are you ready for a real adventure? Solo Trochas de Colombia Trocheros Trucks takes you into the heart of Colombia's most extreme off-road tracks. This is where trucks are tested to the limit, where every turn, every slope is a challenge.
Se va a caer para allá.
Rising to the challenge, a giant road roller has become stuck deep in the bog, but a dramatic rescue is underway. Witness the unparalleled power of the Komatsu D61PX bulldozer as it bravely charges in, performing a spectacular task of pulling it out of the bog. During a grueling battle with the muddy terrain, the New Holland TM 190 experienced an unbelievable moment. As the wheels dug in and the engine roared in desperation, the imbalance of forces pushed the tractor's front bumper out of place, sending it soaring spectacularly. The operator's superb skills shine through. In the midst of the mud, the mighty excavator transformed into a silent hero, gently but powerfully pulling the stuck road roller out of the mud. This was a living testament to his technical expertise and outstanding problem-solving ability. As a giant predator in the automotive world, Peterbilt didn't just compete, it devoured Dodge Ram, leaving behind an overwhelming image of power and superiority. Tension hangs over Cahill's Crossing as the line between road and wild becomes blurred. Cars and trucks cautiously make their way through the water, inch by inch, under the watchful eye of lurking ancient predators. A perilous journey you'll never forget. Incredible scene in Extreme Trucker 2. Giant road trains, stretched like steel monsters, bravely crossing flooded rivers in the harsh Australian outback. Witness the extraordinary power and ingenuity to conquer the wild nature. The screeching of tires, the lurching of a giant hunk of metal, and then a terrifying topple. A tractor trailer in Iowa flew up a steep hill too fast, ending in a grisly scene as it flipped over on its roof. The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.